Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Oh my God. Apparently, power went out. Just when apparently, the power went out. Uh, just when I started to go live, uh, and oh my God. So this is what I'm doing. Share screen. I have a. Where is it? Yeah. Since my external monitor is completely down, I think I will be using my primary monitor, which is my laptop, and I'll be presenting the whole thing here. So window, I will just be sharing my entire screen. Share, share. All right. Yep. So this is my screen, and yeah. See. Right. Can't see anything. Ah, this is a better. This is a better view. Cool. So what we can do is last time, எங்க விட்டோம்? Last time we left that. I don't even know where we left it last time. So I'm just gonna run the whole thing. Uh, yeah, okay. So this is there. I'm going to copy this thing. Last time we had a problem rendering the whole thing in Brave browser. Right now I'm going to do it on Chrome. Chromeல பிரச்சனை கம்மியா தான் வந்துச்சு. So this is what we have right now. So next time, uh, whenever I choose this whenever I choose this drop down, choose the option from this drop down. I must be able to choose the uh, must be able to choose the category, and I have to get the proper app correctly, right? So that's what I want. So so that's it. Oh, the power came back. Hold on. Let me see if I can connect my monitor. Yeah. I have connected my monitor. Right now, I need to share. Yep. This is what I'm sharing right now. And this is the update. Let's switch this thing off. So, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. There is a readme file. Okay. So this is what the thing does here. Advantage of the system is this thing. What is the SQL query? Maybe, yeah. Even though the idea is completely not new or novel, but I still feel there are no good apps that are doing this, especially uh, uh, for Indian bank statements or something, because it seems so good. Let me just check if it is there or not. uh, just open the window here. See. uh, This is a best bank statement analyzer in India. This is an AI tool which can process formats and all that stuff. And there is a Reddit page. Let me just check. Is there any open source project will bank statement analysis required tool for this thing? Bank statement parsing. Let me just check in GitHub something. Statement analysis extract Indian banks. There is some guy doing it. I don't know what he. You just check. Extract useful insights from PDF bank statements using Python automation. Extract this thing, analysis or context function passing. So this is a tesseract thing. So this is returns JSON output. So it is just analyzing the whole thing, right? Let me just check analysis of PI 5 years ago. Common functions for data transformation analysis. Function for correcting the date format. Function takes the original transaction table, creates a dummy table, consists of blank transaction for calculations of average balances over different time periods of time. Okay, okay. So he also has a thing. So which means this is already there, the whole app. But right now the whole app is not just there. I think used to think. Did I use the thing already? Or did I look at this app already? I don't know. So this is what happens. Your process takes a time. We save this. What happens here? Did he have a graph here? There is no graph. But this is a good logic of it. Somehow it is converting everything properly. Excuse me. The more I work on these things, the more I feel like I don't know anything, man. It's just hardcore things. Are there any other? So there are so many apps that are already there. Okay, this is an assured. Uh, I don't know if the whole thing has any. Um, uh, you would have it. Banks are bank statement analysis. The app allows the user to contribute to this thing. Where is it? Is it an app that extracts the transaction history, categorizes them, and lets you know this app was initially made for the project elements in Cap 2024 from data collected to you probably have a PDF of each month of your credit card statement and account. Those transactions cannot be loaded centralized for every bank where you have one of these products. Architecture is Dash by Plotly. Upload your bank statements, make feedback corrections, see dashboards for transaction. What is man? So everything is written in Dash. There are so many apps like this. Why would someone use your app? That's a great question. Well, this app is completely offline because you don't have to upload your data to anything. For example, if you see this here, everything directly uses this LLM, but nothing just converts the whole thing into a PDF or something. Because right now, every bank allows you to download your transaction as an Excel file, and you can extract useful data from it and process it yourself, like hard coded stuff, or you can use an LLM to just categorize the whole thing. Because uh, this is the architecture solution. Oh, it's an SVG file. Anyway, let's not get carried away and let's start focusing on building. The point is not to just beat the app or do something novel in the market. The point is just to do something that you can use. That's it. So that's what I want. Don't say. Anyway, sorry for the digression. We can start building right now. So this is what we have, and this is what we will do. I think there is a lot of here. So this one is the I just have UPI expense. I don't understand UPI expense. Now on category change, there is nothing happening. Um, can I just You have this thing here. Oh. Just, Dina, I think you have to get uh, power went again. Sorry, bro. Oh my god, I'm struggling so badly, man. I don't know what to do. So simple. What is happening? Just a type of Python declaration first API. புரியுது. புதுசு புதுசா ஏதோ ஆகுது. என்ன ஆகுது? புரிய மாட்டேங்குதே. ஸோ வந்து என்ன பொறுத்தளவுக்கு இது என்ன பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா, அந்த பைடான்டிக் மாடல் தி பேஸ் மாடல் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாட் இஸ் பைடான்டிக் மாடல் டூயிங்? Pydantic model created by is a Python class used for primary data validation, parsing, serialization using Python types. Its core definition is to define a clear type-checked data schema and guarantee that any data used to create an instance of the model conforms to the specified types and constraints. Clear type-checked data schema and guarantee that any data used to create an instance of the model conforms to specified types and constraints. Just validate incoming data against the field types and constraints. Okay. So whenever you're interacting with the base model, you validate your data with the pydantic model. That's what I think. Right? Yeah. Okay. It's too much for me, man. I can't do this to you. So really sorry, man. I don't want to let anybody down. I have no idea how this thing works. There's a script here, and it has to send something to here. Right now, it is not sending anything back. Correct. I want it to send back from the HTML. That's what is required. Example, sending. This is very slow, man. It's 42-minute video. What? Hmm. I'm using fast API for the background, HTML, CSS for the front end. I want to click the button and I wanted to value in return. Okay, this is good. This is my code. This is the data list. This is something. This is the getter function of the wanted value. Get node one, node two, response class, async def request. We are doing something. This is the interface. Something. We have a container class, it's a link, form action, form field setter, node, form field set. Okay. Field set. This field set class. Type of number, ID is node, tab index 0. This is what maybe it's just that node 1 label for into node 1, data text node 1. I don't know if it said something. Right here. On button click, predict now. Field class. இது என்ன பண்ணுது? There is a JavaScript here. Get function. This is the script. You are going to run that script, is it? Obviously, a script has to be run. On click, we are using my function name. On click, my function name. See, To start with, you should have a look at how path parameters work in Fast API. The following in your code is not a valid rule for passing pathway. You will instead need to be recognized as a single pathway. You can verify this by opening Swagger UI at this thing, which shows that the endpoints expects node 1 node to be query params, not path params. When submitting form data, one should form use form fields for that purpose and post HTTP method. Your endpoint should be app.post browsers cache get requests saved in browser history, thus making them less secure compared to post. Have a look in this detailed answer as well as this. If you still, however, need to get a request, இங்க போட்டிருக்கான் பாரு தலைவன். The from fast API import இது இதெல்லாம் okay. Sorry chat. This is a failed stream as far as I've concerned because I've actually made no progress. But this is not the end. I will come back and I will finish the whole thing. Thank you so much for watching. Even I don't know if someone is going to watch this or not, but not yet. Uh, there is not much of a progress here, but I actually know, or at least I have gotten a direction of where I have to go, and yeah, this is what I want. This is what I want to know. No, I am. Uh, I have to figure this out of how to send data and uh, using get and post and data from the API, from the browser, the user input to the API, and handle the whole thing properly. And that's when the site becomes completely interactive and I can build more upon, right? So this is completely new for me, and I do not know. It's very discouraging because of the. The whole thing is very discouraging because of the sheer ignorance, like the amount of ignorance that I have is very high, and everything is just hitting me right now. Uh, this is not what I signed up for, but we'll not give up and we'll just push through and get the app up and running where the user can just upload the Excel file and get all the insights properly and get data, or at least that's the thing. Even though it is not going to be state of the art app or something, at least I have a satisfaction that I've completed something instead of just jumping around and doing everything. Anyway, see you. Bye.